Hi guys! Welcome to Tiger Garage. This is another done project here. Well, actually, natapos na namin yung gawa nito. So, this is a 2019 BMW X5. Pagtingin mo ngayon, I think if you seen the video, medyo malinis na siya, medyo shiny siya. Pero, nung unang pumasok siya dito, hindi siyang shiny. I think because of pandemic, so yung may-ari nito, ginamit niya straight 3 years na walang car wash. Kaya, super dumi nung car na to kung pumasok, and then maraming mga very minimal scratches, although wala naman malaking bangga, pero maraming mga small scratches all around the car. Maliban dyan, one of the sobrang dumi is yung kanyang tambucho, kasi this is a diesel car. Syempre, never ever car wash, dumikit na yung lahat ng dumi na nasa exhaust tip niya. Kaya nung pumasok nito, super duper itim tong exhaust na garnish na to. So, we done our best on cleaning the garnish, pero syempre, sa sobrang tagal na nakadikit yung mga dumi, medyo kinain na ng rust yung kanyang cover, pero we already done our best on cleaning this. So, wag niyong pabayaan yung car niyo ng super dumi ng matagal. Syempre, alam natin busy minsan, pero wag naman paabutin ng ilang buwan, ilang taon na walang car wash or walang linis. So, maliban sa lininis natin yung loob tsaka labas nito, we also done preventive maintenance to this car. Na-change oil natin, napalitan natin yung air filter, napalitan natin yung cabin filter. Kaya ngayon, the car don't just look nice, it also drives great, and then malinis na everything. So if you guys are interested in this service or any other of our service, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Thank you guys for watching, and let us see you next time. Goodbye!